This will be the elevator here at the Comfort Inn here, Nashville, right near the Nissan Stadium. That bus is terrible. But it looks like we have an old elevator that's been modded by ThyssenKrupp. Oh, it's Dover. Oh, this is a traditional elevation. Not modded, sadly. Go to 1. Really old traditional. Yeah, they put the lantern right there. Let's go to 4. Yeah, you can tell, look at that. That's where the Dover logo used to be. ThyssenKrupp obligated this mod. Like wood. Well, these newer traditional buttons here, like 2000s. Honestly, it's actually a pretty nice elevator. Cab renovation. Look, that's weird. Dover help link phone on ThyssenKrupp. So this may have been an older TK mod. Let's go to 2. Look at this. Going down. Sorry, I'm on that. It's only 2,000 pounds, so I can't really fit in it. But you can clearly tell this was really, really old traditional. Really old Dover, like 60s. What we got here? Really old traditional from 60s. So they got modded. And there goes the elevator. Since my channel is promoting healthy exercise, look at these stairs. Really old. From 60s. Anyway, I guess that. Well, we're not even done with the video yet because we got one more thing to show you. Show you proof. Look at this. Right over there is the Nissan Stadium, home to the Tennessee Titans. And that is our hotel right there. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.